finished your advertisement before you think you're ready to actually submit. Always a good idea to check the rubric one more time. Is the background distractible? Is everything readable? Read all of your information carefully. Have you included all 5 of your details? Did the color, font, and choice make it easy to read or a challenge to read? How does your product look? Do you need to clean it up? Have you made it original enough so that it is a good illustration of the details you've written? Your layout. Have you thought about your balance, your use of space, your use of border, unity? Does it pass the 1 second rule? Have you overused style? Is some of your text too big or too small? Can you tell the difference between what your product name is and your slogan, what your slogan is and your details? Is your product 1/3 the entire advertisement? Have you included your company name and designer name, the product name, the slogan, the price, and both of your ad details? If you are finished, this is how you would save to submit. If you see save, always save first. Second thing you need to do, your advertisement is going to be submitted on your RD document in your Google Drive. However, the Photoshop version is not a version that will be accepted for you to be able to put it onto your document. So we need to convert this. We're going to be converting this to something called a JPEG. You're going to do a File, Save As. Make sure you know where you're saving. Now, the desktop is fine. The shared drive is fine. Some of you might be saving in the Pictures folder. First thing you're going to do, Format at the bottom. Click the down arrow. You're going to choose JPEG. You want the first one, not the 2000, the JPEG, just as it is. You're going to call this Final and your initials. You're going to hit save, and you're going to get a message. What we are doing is we are compressing the file, and if you notice before I hit OK, the list of my layers have gone and disappeared. The image is becoming flattened to be a smaller file size. When you click OK, the layers will come back because it's reverting back to your Photoshop version. Once you've done this, you're going to go open your RD document from your Google Drive. You're going to scroll down to the bottom of your product proposal. You're going to click your cursor at the very end of the last thing you've written. You're going to hold down the control button on your keyboard and tap the enter key on your keyboard. It will put you at the top of the next page. You've done what's called a page break. Now you're going to choose Insert, Image, Upload. You need to go to wherever you've saved it, whether or not it's the desktop, or you have to double click on this PC, which mine is not showing, and go to the network drives, whether you've saved it to your H drive or whether you've saved it to the shared drive, wherever you have. You'll scroll down, you'll find the one that's called Final. You'll click Open, and it will insert onto the document. That's it.